Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about blue butterfly pea plant. As you already know, it's a tropical perennial climbing vine. And this flowers in the summer season. And they bloom blue, purple and white flowers. This plant is also known as Aprajita plant. We have earlier uploaded many videos of this Aprajita plant. After winter, all plants' health were like this. So after winter, my mom cut the plants like this and removed the mulch. She also digged the soil of these plants for aeration and also to remove the weeds. As you know, there was rainfall during the winter season, that's why the plants also got a fungal attack. So if we cut the plants like this, the new stems and the leaves would be healthier. And these plants would get more bushier and healthier. And as you already know, pinching or pruning the plants helps in lateral branching. And lateral branching helps in making the plants more bushier. Also, digging the plants time to time helps in aeration. After a few days of doing this, the plants got much healthier and bushier. After that, my mom removed all the dead and damaged leaves and then gave our plants some kitchen waste compost. As you know, before giving any kind of fertilizer, digging is a must, as it helps in absorbing the fertilizers better. A few days after giving the fertilizer, our plants already started flowering. Make sure to also give your plants sufficient sunlight. And make sure to give your plants slightly sandy, fertile soil, as it grows best on that. And make sure to only water when the soil is dry. Overwatering can cause root rot, which can slowly kill your plants. That's all for today's video. I hope if you also follow these steps, you'll be also able to get a really healthy blue butterfly pea plant. That's it. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.